The next evolution of artificial intelligence is agentic AI, designed to autonomously solve complex, multi-step challenges with advanced reasoning and iterative planning. Teradata's Enterprise Vector Store paves the way for enterprises to implement trusted agentic AI. Teradata and NVIDIA have joined forces to deliver the Enterprise Vector Store, a future-ready capability that scales effortlessly to handle billions of vectors, unlocking transformative insights from a rich combination of structured and unstructured data. With end-to-end capabilities that include embedding generation, intelligent search and retrieval, and temporal embeddings, Teradata and NVIDIA are making the next generation of AI use cases a reality. One of those use cases is the augmented call center. Take, for example, an insurance agent juggling hundreds of customer inquiries a day. Before Teradata, finding answers meant hours spent digging through massive insurance PDFs, searching for the right information. Now, the company's interactive voice response and call center applications leverage agentic AI enabled with Teradata's Enterprise Vector Store, which improves customer experience as well as call center productivity. Agentic AI is orchestration of multiple agents. These agents are leveraging multiple Teradata Vantage capabilities, such as natural language processing, predictive AI, operational analytics, as well as Enterprise Vector Store, which we will explore in more detail. The architecture consists of data ingestion and intelligent search and retrieval using RAG. Let's look at the data ingestion first. With simple point-and-click processes, data science teams can more effectively load, manage, and access their data by storing it in Teradata's Enterprise Vector Store. Users start by choosing PDF documents to load into Enterprise Vector Store. They can select files stored in Teradata Vantage, upload files from their device, or access external storage enabled by cloud service providers. Next, users can harness NVIDIA NeMo Retriever ingestion microservices for PDF parsing, leveraging advanced options such as OCR and image processing. Insurance contract PDF documents are parsed and converted into text data using NeMo Retriever. Once the PDF is processed, embeddings can be generated in parallel using NVIDIA NeMo Retriever Embedding NIM, which uses the Mistral AI large language model. The embeddings are indexed and stored in Teradata's Enterprise Vector Store. Users can now configure the parameters for intelligent search and retrieval. The Enterprise Vector Store provides sophisticated high-performance in-database search and retrieval algorithms. To keep their Enterprise Vector Store up to date, users can set automatic updates to automate ingestion, transformation, and embedding generation. Once the data is prepared, the data scientists can begin testing the natural language processor using the Vector Store. By opening Ask AI, they can choose their preferred LLM, such as Llama, for the test. In this case, we select the NVIDIA Llama NIM model. Now, we can pose natural language questions about the policy data we've just loaded into the Enterprise Vector Store. Once the data scientist is satisfied with the results, the AI chatbot can be activated for call center representatives. The second part of the augmented call center solution uses retrieval augmented generation, or RAG, for intelligent search and retrieval of vectorized data. Let's look at the Python implementation. Here, we see embeddings stored in a Vantage table. Relevant information can be retrieved based on any question using Teradata's advanced in-database functions, such as vector distance and hierarchical navigable small world, or HNSW. With the highly scalable Enterprise Vector Store in place, call center representatives can now use RAG to efficiently search through millions of insurance policy PDFs. The call center person can directly ask questions to the agent, which will enter a chain of thought process and retrieve the correct answer. The agent can also apply reasoning and leverage propensity models available in Teradata Vantage to propose additional insurance coverage. In many cases, some questions would require leveraging explainable AI features of Teradata Vantage to provide precise answers. Agents can also automate operational process by updating operational tables in Teradata Vantage. With Teradata's Enterprise Vector Store and NVIDIA collaboration, Teradata and NVIDIA help you harness structured and unstructured data to enable the next generation of AI innovation. delivering faster ROI, better customer experiences, and more data freedom. That's why industry leaders trust Teradata to drive value with data and AI. That's why Teradata is the trusted AI company.